Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA Online server down issue with some quick and practical steps. If you're unable to connect, first check if Rockstar servers are actually down by visiting their official status page or searching online, because sometimes the issue is not on your side. If servers are working, restart your PC and your internet router to refresh the connection. Next, make sure your internet is stable and avoid using VPN or proxy, as it can block server access. After that, run the Rockstar Games Launcher as administrator and log out of your account, then log back in to refresh your session. Now, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or add GTA 5 to exceptions so it is not blocked. If the issue still continues, flush your DNS using Command Prompt. Finally, restart your PC again and try launching GTA Online, and it should start working properly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.